What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a simple and straightforward guide on how to obtain a BlueSky Social invite code. With the rising popularity of BlueSky as an exclusive social media platform, securing an invite code is essential for joining this vibrant community. Follow the steps to increase your chances of receiving an invite. Actually, this feature is not available right now. BlueSky already opened registrations to the general public last February 6, 2024, a year after its release as an invite-required beta. It opened federation to the social app through the AT protocol soon afterwards, allowing users to build apps within the protocol and provide their own storage for content sent to BlueSky. BlueSky has experienced several bursts of expansion and contraction following its public launch, mainly in relation to controversies and changes at Twitter. So the other way is that you have to create an account since this feature is not available right now. Before creating an account, make sure that you have an email address like Gmail or Yahoo.mail, because in case you forgot your account password, for example, or can't access your account, this is where the backup account like Yahoo Mail or Gmail accounts come in. So there's a chance to recover your account. The invite code is not available, so this is the only way to create your account. Securing a BlueSky Social invite code requires proactive networking and engagement. By connecting with users, leveraging social media, participating in online communities, and staying informed about official announcements, you can increase your chances of receiving an invite. But this feature is not available right now. Good luck and enjoy your journey into BlueSky Social. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.